What's up guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you how to spot a fake Louis Vuitton Supreme bag. I'm going to show you how an authentic one looks like, and you can judge by yourself if you find one and if it looks like mine. So this is the box, classic Louis Vuitton box, classic dust bag. So this bag, I got this bag in June 2017, at the end of June. I was in Paris and I went to the pop-up. I had to wait 8 hours before getting into the pop-up. And that's the first thing I bought. The red pieces came out, I think, 2 weeks later. So they had the camo and they had the black pieces. So it has a zip in the front and a zip in the compartment, main compartment. And all the hardware is aged. And it has Vachetta on the front with Supreme embossed. Also, you can see that the camo has a very discreet LV monogram. And at first I didn't see, and it says Supreme as well, you can see. Actually, you can see the Supreme word better than the LV monogram. So this piece of fabric also has Supreme on it. The belt has Supreme on it as well. There is a D-ring on the side, on the right side. Buckle is also aged. I kind of like that. So that's the bag, and also it should come out with a booklet. And I really like the Vachetta details on it. It's really nice. So that's it, guys, for today. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video if you did. Bye.